Always nice to see another biker on the road. It's MotoSteve, it's MotoSteve. Hey, it's MotoSteve. What's going on, people? MotoSteve coming to you live from almost Amherstburg, Ontario. That's right, I'm out of Windsor. I'm just going for a quick little boot up to Amherstburg, Ontario. And I am loving it. Loving it. So much fun. Beautiful, really first. I mean, there's been, earlier in the year we had some really nice weather, but I was working my butt off, so I couldn't get out and enjoy. And then when I could, the weather was crappy, but this is the first really nice day that we have, and I love where I'm going because there's water and there's motorcycles and it's beautiful and people are fishing and having fun on their boats. I'm on my land boat. This is my land boat and I'm loving it. Guys, come on, can't get any better than this. Beautiful day, out on the scoot, cruising around, and where else to go but Amherstburg, Ontario, and go for a nice little rip and head back to the city. And in the city, ooh, beautiful houses out here, man. Holy smokes, I'd love to live out here on the water. Love it! Like, just awesome. Just awesomeness. Couldn't do any better. Couldn't do any better. House for rent. I should just do it. You probably know what they want for that house for rent near the water like that. Yikes! Ruh-roh! But yeah, just out for a nice cruise. Everyone's fishing. It's a beautiful day. Oh my god. So much fun. Oh. Yep, so that's about it. Just out for a quick little boot. I might actually stop and grab some lunch. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, I had to get out on the motorcycle. I'm actually going to be on call for a couple of weeks. And you can't ride the bike because basically you got to be available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you have to be 55 minutes out of, if there's a call, I have to get to it in 55 minutes or we get in trouble. So, yeah, unfortunately, this might be my only time to ride for the next 2 weeks. It is what it is, but after that, I try to ride every day to work, save some money on gas. They actually let me take a company truck home at night for the 2 weeks, so parking my truck at the shop, and that's it. That is it. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Roadkill, roadkill. Poor little guy. Condos on the water. Beautiful view. I wonder how much they want for those. Oh, Coast Guard. Is that a Coast Guard? No, I don't think it is. Lots and lots and lots of boats out. America's right over there. Right over there. There's America. Ohio. Michigan. But it goes right into Ohio. When you come around this corner, you can see the nuclear power plant. I can't zoom in on it, but it's out there. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Nice little town of Amherstburg's been around. I think they established in the 1700s or 1800s. I'm not 100% sure. Should probably look that up sometime. But yeah, some fierce battles with the Canadians against the Americans, and well, the English were helping out at that time. But yeah, craziness. Well, that's awesome. I don't know if those are street legal. I'm going to go right down to the water. Nice waterfront. And head out. Head out of town. Beautiful, beautiful cruise. Must be so pleasant to live out here. No, you know, it's not the big hustle bustle of the city, but you're only 25 minutes away, 20 minutes away from the city, and if you need something, you just whip into town and grab it and head back out. Just chill. I'd have so many people over. My door would be just open. Come by, check it out. Reenactment. They got the people dressed up and everything. People going to the park. People hanging out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, wicked old S10. Slammed and everything. That's awesome! Yeah, it'd be nice to live in this area, I tell you. Especially if you're right on the water. Oh my God. Main strip is out to the left, but this is the old downtown area, older part. Nice bike. People walking their dogs, hanging out, babies having ice cream. Nice walk. First real nice day of the summer, technically. It's kind of crazy when you think of, you know, there's places that are hot all year round, and their winters are feel like in the 70s, and we consider 70s like summer weather here. It's gonna hit 70s. It's crazy. Wow. Redoing the ferry. The ferry goes across to that island. That's Boblo Island. They have a ferry that runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. People live on the island. It's a beautiful. I actually worked on that island for a bit. Beautiful island. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice bike. And the Canadian Coast Guard right there. Kinda cool, kinda cool. Hot. The bike is hot. The bike is hot. But anyways, just a nice little rip through Amherstburg, Ontario. Thought I'd throw on the camera. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. You know what to do. I always reply to comments. I think it's cool. I don't have a ton of followers, so when someone does comment, I always try to reply. But anyways, this comes to the point of the video where I say, you're you, I'm me. I love you guys. I'm MotoSteve, and I am out.